2024 is just around the corner, and if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, there's no better time to start than now. However, the biggest factor that will determine your success is the niche you choose. Luckily for you, I've researched hundreds of YouTube channel ideas, and in this video, I'll show you the 27 best niches that don't require you to show your face or be on camera. Niche number 1 is AI news and stories. Since ChatGPT was launched back in November 2022, the AI niche has seen a massive growth with no sign of slowing down. With many stories to talk about daily, channels like AI Revolution capitalized on this trend and had gained over 70K subscribers. All they do is to create videos on trending AI news and stories, find a bunch of relevant stock footage, and add voiceover to it. You can find these footage on free sites like Pexels and Pixabay, and you can use AI voiceovers for these types of videos. They got over 1 million views last month alone with an estimated earning of $4,500. The only downside of this niche is like that of other news channels. Your videos are based on trending topics, which means most of them are not likely to get views as the news fades away. Niche number 2 is software tutorial. Brett in Tech is a great example of a successful channel in this niche. They make videos related to software and have grown to over 1 million subs in the past years. You can also do this by recording your screen with free tools like OBS Studio and create tutorials on the best software in different categories. They are making well over 5K per month with an average views of 1.5 million. The beauty of this niche is that you can make videos specific to just one software such as Canva or CapCut, like this guy here called Luca with 144K subs. This works best if the tool is a free one and has a lot of users. You'll simply create videos on problems users may face when using that tool. Niche number 3 is scary stories. There are a lot of channels in this niche like Mr. Nightmare who found scary and horror stories and had grown a following of over 6 million subscribers. They simply find dark video clips and add a deep voiceover on top to make it sound epic. Some channels in this niche got demonetized over the years for repetitive content, and that's because they all find the same stories on Reddit, which YouTube frowns upon. So you want to be creative and find other sources for your stories, or you can simply ask ChatGPT to come up with scary stories. If you get it right, you can also make up to $42,000 per month. Niche number 4 is business stories. There are thousands of businesses out there from unicorns to startups, and there's always good and bad stories to talk about them. Magnates Media is a fast-growing channel in this niche with over 1 million subs, and what they do is to research interesting stories about businesses or their owner and deliver it in a documentary-style video. This is not the kind of video you want to create with AI because of the competition, but if you are able to build the right team to handle it for you, you can also get 5 million views like them every month and make over 20K in ad revenue alone. Niche number 5 is make money online. This one is probably the most profitable niche in this video because of its high CPM. This means you can make more money per 1,000 views compared to other niches, and you don't need to show your face doing this. Cash Pro is an example of channels in this niche with over 100K subs, and what they do is to find stock footage and record their screens while showing people how to earn online. The only downside of this niche is most people watching the videos won't take real actions, and they may stop watching your videos with the excuse that your strategies don't work. Although this may not be a big issue, as there will always be people who want to make money online, and if done correctly, you can make 5 times the earnings Social Blade is showing us here. Niche number 6 is related to the previous one, which I'll call Make Money Online with AI. You've probably come across this channel called 10x Income, as they've grown very fast over the past few months. They don't show their face in the videos, rather they use stock footage and screen recordings similar to the previous channel, but they focus on showing ways to make money using AI. To compete in this niche though, you need to be able to show people results, as that will make them trust you and your advice. The earnings potential here is huge, as you can easily make over 10K monthly from ad placement, affiliate income, and sponsorship. Niche number 7 is personal finance. Making money is one thing, becoming rich and wealthy is another. You can actually teach people how to manage their finances, like this channel here called Practical Wisdom with close to 1 million subscribers. Their videos are a mix of stock footage with text overlays and basic thumbnails, which you can make with free tools like Canva. You see, people are here for the education, and they would stay if your voiceover sounds good. And if they watch your videos, you can also make over 100K annually in ad revenue alone. Niche number 8 is investing. Similar to the finance niche, your job is to show people how to grow their wealth with investment. Free investing is a typical example of channels in this niche with over 1 million subs, and all they do is to find interviews and audio from investing gurus like Robert Kiyosaki and simply create their own video with it. If you want to go this route though, you need to be cautious about copyright and fair use. but it seems to work for them and other channels in this niche, and they will definitely be making well over 10K per month due to the high CPM in this niche. Niche number 9 is history. This is an evergreen niche that is currently underserved because there's a lot of stories to talk about from the past and different angles to take on them. Alternate History Hub creates videos in this niche and has gained 2.2 million subs over the years. They use these characters with relevant stock footage to put their points across. And with an average of 2 million views, they are making over $10,000 every month. There's even a new channel in this niche called History Bypass, which you've probably come across due to their popularity. And they create their videos using AI videos and voiceovers. Niche number 10 is fitness. Body Hub is a channel in this niche with over 1 million subscribers, and you can also have a successful channel like this if you are interested in fitness and bodybuilding. They don't show their face, and you don't have to, as you just need to write good scripts with nice voiceovers and compile stock clips to put your point across. They are getting 2.4 million views monthly and earning over $10,000 per month. Niche number 11 is book summary. This is another evergreen niche that is currently underserved on YouTube because of the number of books being released every year. Escaping Ordinary creates quality videos on timeless books like Atomic Habits and Rich Dad, Poor Dad. And because people prefer short-form content than to read a whole book, this guy has gained over 1 million subs with just 18 videos. He's estimated to be making over 5K per month with an average of 1.5 million views each month. Niche number 12 is natural health remedies. This is a health niche to look into if you can give people tips on natural ways to prevent and heal ailments. Natural Cures is a channel that gives such tips to over 3 million people around the world, and they are using stock footage with text overlays to drive their points home. As a result, they are getting 700K views on average, and making over $3,000 monthly. Niche number 13 is travel guide. This is a branch of the travel niche that provides useful information to tourists and travelers. For instance, Scary Harry makes videos on topics like the cheapest countries to live in, the best places to visit in a specific country, and so on. People watch these types of videos even if they are not traveling yet, and you can easily find the information online to write your script. This channel makes up to 3K per month, and their views and subscribers count is also on the upward trend. Niche number 14 is motivation. This niche is a very popular one and is often recommended since the videos are so easy to make, but it can get demonetized easily because of copyright issues. In fact, channels in this niche usually explain this in their About section or in the video's description. But if you can get it right and play safe with fair use, you can get a lot of views and make over $10,000 per month. Niche number 15 is social media. Think about TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and the likes. If you can teach people how to grow on these platforms, then this is a niche to consider. You've probably come across channels like this showing you how to grow a YouTube channel or a TikTok account. Most of them grew fast in a short amount of time, and they are making over 6K per month from ad revenue alone. The competition has risen quite a bit, so to compete with them, your videos have to be really good. In addition, if you can show results of what you've done, like this guy here called Isaac, you can go viral with just a single video. There's an alternative to this where you can create simple videos in this niche and make the same amount of money, which I'll show you later in the video, so keep watching. Niche number 16 is self-improvement. Improvement Pill is a channel that comes to mind whenever we think about this niche, and that's because they've dominated the space over the years with more than 3 million subs. They probably hire professional animators for their videos, but the same thing can be achieved with software like Doodly or Animaker. They are said to be earning over $7,000 per month, with an average of 2 million monthly views. So it's a niche worth looking into. Niche number 17 is Top Tech List. This is a beginner-friendly niche with low competition and high demand with videos that are very easy to compile and create. The topics are a roundup list of the best products in a category like the best 4K projector, best travel camera of 2023, and so on. These channels simply go on to Amazon or the company websites to find promotional videos and add their own voiceover on top to make it transformative. It's a bit of a gray area when it comes to copyright issues, which is why you'll see disclaimers like this in the description of the videos. Is this enough to save them from getting demonetized? I don't really know, but there are many channels doing this over the years with no issues. Moreover, their main source of income is affiliate marketing and not ad revenue. This is why they place affiliate links like this under each video for the products they promoted in the video. And whenever people click on it to buy anything on Amazon, they will receive a commission. Niche number 18 is space. If you love anything space related, this is a niche to consider. You can take inspiration from what channels like the Simply Space are doing and see which topics you can target. Subscribers of this niche are usually passionate about the topic, and if successful, you can also make up to 12K every month. Niche number 19 is luxury. This is another niche with high CPM that can make you more money than other niches. Alux is a big channel in this niche with over 4 million subs, and they basically use stock footage and female voiceover to create their videos. The key to success in this niche is the topic and information you have to give. And if people sense your passion to help them achieve a luxury lifestyle, they will stick around to watch your videos. Niche number 20 is sports. You can make videos on any sport or specific ones like basketball or soccer. You want to make it a documentary-style video like this channel and not just throw a bunch of sport clips together in order to avoid copyright issues. This means you need to find interesting topics and hire professionals to edit the videos for you if you can't. It will surely cost you some money up front, but if done right, it can make you over 20K per month. Niche number 21 is language. A lot of people want to learn a new language, and if you are fluent in English, Arabic, or other languages, you can actually earn by teaching others. You only need a whiteboard software like VideoScribe, and you will record your voice to guide your viewers through the lessons. Niche number 22 is quizzes and riddles. This is another beginner-friendly niche anyone can start with free tools like Canva. I've even made a full tutorial on these types of videos, which you can click to watch at the upper right corner of your screen or in the description below. Quiz videos appeal to a wide audience, which is why channels like this get over 12 million views monthly, even though they are only created this year. And with these types of results, you can make anywhere between 3K to 40K per month. Niche number 23 is mental health. This is another branch of the health niche people always want to know about. And if you can explain the concept like this channel called Psych Hub, you can make over 3K per month as they are. Niche number 24 is animal. This one may seem saturated, but I've seen new channels popping up this year and getting a lot of views, so it's beginner-friendly. A big channel you can take a look at is this one called Forevergreen with over 3 million subs. They find intriguing topics about animals and use stock footage and voiceovers for the videos. There are new AI tools like InVideo that can actually create these types of videos for you in seconds. And I've also made a full tutorial on this topic which you can click to watch at the upper right corner or in the description below. Niche number 25 is geography. Real Life Lore is a channel in this niche with over 7 million subscribers. They talk about world events using stock clips and maps to drive their points home. This is another one that involves some expertise but can be very profitable if you can spend on the production. Niche number 26 is engineering. Similar to the previous one, this is a niche you need to be passionate about and build a team around to be able to compete. You need to hire researchers, scriptwriters, editors, designers, and managers. But you can make over 40K per month like the B1M if you can do this correctly. Niche number 27 is experiment. For you science nerds out there, Vision Nil is a channel you can take a cue from and record yourself making similar experiments. Their last upload was 8 months ago, but they still pulled in almost 2 million views last month and made over $7,000. For watching till the end, I've created a list of over 50 faceless YouTube niche ideas with their difficulty level and channel examples for you. If you would like to get access to it, you can click the first link in the description below. You'll need to enter my email list before you can download it, where I'll share helpful updates on AI and content creation. A bonus niche you can start are search-based YouTube channels. Tech Boomers is a great example of channels in this niche with over 600K subs, and they just make short videos on social media apps in a quick, digestible manner. Unlike niche number 15 on this list, this is a quantity over quality approach where your videos do not need to be edited and you can still make over $14,000 every month. If you want to know more on this, I've explained the strategy in detail in this video showing on your screen right now, so click to watch it. If you learn 1 or 2 things from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Digital Scholar. Drop your comment below and thank you for watching.